Baba, the Great Surgeon, by Dr. A. Krishnamohan Reddy. I am blessed to have been born into a spiritual family. My mother was an ardent devotee of Sri Shirdi Sai Baba and taught my elder brother and me to sing his glories as part of daily morning and evening prayers, laying the foundation for the devotional path, Bhakti Marga. My father was a spiritual seeker who dwelt much on the Advaitic aspects of spiritual practice, deriving his inspiration from the teachings of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and Swami Vivekananda. Thus, my father laid the foundation for us to develop an understanding of the non-dual path of wisdom, Jnana Marga. Having an elder brother who was my guide and support from my childhood and continues to be my hero and mentor for my spiritual development is yet another blessing. Once again, the credit goes to my parents, who led us to the lotus feet of our beloved Swami. My parents firmly believed that God was walking on earth and decided to return to India to be near Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba after a brief stay in the USA. They resided in Prashanti Nilayam for over 17 years, giving me, my wife, and two sons the opportunity to visit them and enjoy the blessing of having darshan of the avatar, our divine mother and father, while sharing our love and respect for our earthly parents. My first experience of Swami's miracle happened even before my first darshan or visit to Prashanti Nilayam. It occurred in early 1983, just a year after my parents left to reside at the ashram. For nearly 3 years, I was experiencing a dullness and discomfort in my liver area, a kind of congested feeling, with mild shortness of breath, especially when I climbed a flight of stairs. It was a nagging feeling, but something for which I was not ready to see a doctor. During these 3 years, repeated annual medical examinations at my workplace showed that my liver enzymes were abnormal. I sought the advice of my elder brother, a practicing physician, and his recommendation was to have a liver biopsy done to diagnose the underlying cause. I did not want this procedure as I was scared to have a needle poked through my liver. Then came divine intervention. Divine healing in the early morning hours of one day. I had a vivid dream, which I would characterize more as a vision since I could fully recollect the details when I woke up. In the dream, I saw myself with my hands raised, running on the veranda of the mandir toward the first door where Swami was seen seated, and the bhajans were going on. I was loudly proclaiming, "Baba, the Great Surgeon." Immediately, I felt an electric shock in my liver area, and I woke up sweating. I knew something profound had happened. The following day I noticed that I did not have the congested feeling of the liver anymore and felt much better. I was then anxious to find out whether some miraculous healing took place. One quick way to get the answer was to verify if my liver function tests were normal. Although I could have them tested at a local diagnostic lab, I had a strong faith in Swami's healing. Since the annual medical screening at my workplace was only 2 weeks away, I decided to wait. What a sweet surprise! All my liver function tests were within normal limits and have been ever since. Blessings without asking, the scriptures say, God is verily the doctor, Vaidyo Narayano Harihi. Baba, the Great Surgeon, indeed. Surgery performed without any instruments. Please note that I did not pray to Swami or any other god at any time to help me with my health setback. But the Supreme Lord knows how and when to protect and heal His children, even without asking. The second miracle of the story is that I had never been to Prashanti Nilayam when I had the dream. Only a year later, During my first visit to the ashram, I saw the veranda and the mandir of my dream. Nearly a year later, when we were blessed with an interview with Swami, I expressed my gratitude to Swami for curing my liver problem. Swami gave an approving, compassionate glance and blessed me. Dr. A. Krishnamohan Reddy